Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression 2 raised to the power of 3. Stay tuned for step-by-step guidance on how to reduce this expression to its lowest terms. Let's get started. In step 1 of reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms, we'll first focus on understanding the given expression, 2 raised to the power of 3. The expression 2 raised to the power of 3 means multiplying 2 by itself 3 times, so we calculate this as follows: 2 times 2 times 2. When we do this calculation, we get 2 times 2, which equals 4. Then we multiply 4 by 2, which equals 8. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 3 simplifies to 8. By simplifying the given expression in this manner, we have transformed the original exponentiation expression into the number 8. This is an important first step because it prepares us to further simplify the entire rational expression, as working with numbers is easier than working with variables and exponents. Understanding how to break down and simplify parts of an expression is key in reducing it to its lowest terms. In step 2 of reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms, we need to check if there are any factors in the numerator and the denominator that can be canceled out. Since we were given the expression 2 raised to the power of 3, and we simplified it in step 1 to get the number 8, we now need to determine what the denominator of the rational expression is. However, if no specific denominator was given, we might consider the denominator to be 1. In a rational expression, the numerator is the number above the divide line, and the denominator is the number below the divide line. So in this case, our rational expression can be written as 8 divided by 1. Next, we analyze if there are any common factors between the numerator and the denominator that we need to cancel out to achieve the lowest terms. The common factor refers to a number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator without any remainder. Since 8 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator, we ask ourselves if there is any number other than 1 that can divide both 8 and 1. The answer is no. There are no common factors except for 1. Therefore, we cannot simplify 8 divided by 1 any further. As a result, the rational expression 2 raised to the power of 3 in its lowest terms is simply 8 divided by 1. This is the final step in simplifying the problem, and the rational expression in its simplest form is 8 divided by 1, which can just be written as 8. By understanding this, we have successfully reduced our expression to its lowest terms. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.